Hey, what's going on YouTube? I went to the Apple Store today and I called the Apple Store and found out the iPhone 4 was in stock, and after waiting 3 hours with them having technical issues with the system, I was finally able to get my iPhone 4. And I have the 32GB, black obviously because the white isn't out. It's already activated. It was activated at the Apple Store, and open. iPhone 4. In here, designed by Apple in California. No pen tool, but we have fingertips. We all know how to work an iPhone, right? Manual. Apple stickers adds to the collection. And of course we have the adapter for the power adapter. Have one, so I'm not gonna open this one. USB cord they open at the Apple Store to activate my iPhone. And some more headphones. I do need these. Microphone, volume up and down, whatever. And of course the iPhone 4. Activated. Don't have any contacts. It's not synced with my computer, so I don't have any applications on it or anything yet. I really don't have many bars in my room, and I'm eventually gonna get have it unlocked for T-Mobile. I'm not going to keep at&t because they don't have unlimited data, which isn't going to help me because I use my phone a lot. But take this off because I know people love to see that. No pixels, no pixels. Okay. Yeah, I got the shell case that I did an unboxing for, but I haven't uploaded it yet, but I will put it on here now. I thought I was going to do a review for it, but I'm not going to do a review for it. I have the Moonsicle, I believe, spec case, candy shell case. I need a screen protector, so soon I will be buying a screen protector for the iPhone 4. For the front, at least for now. And push it in there. And perfect fit. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, as I can see, I can't press the lock key. Okay. It's holding it down for some reason. Volume up and down is working pretty good. But this, okay. Alright, unboxing of the iPhone 4, 32GB. Thanks for watching. You know what? I wanted to add something. When I didn't have any signal before I put the case on, but now that I have the case on, I have full signal in my room. Pretty cool, huh? Just thought I'd add that. And happy birthday.